A pandemic began years ago and continues to occur today. Yes, it still exists. In the Philippines, there are 28,425 confirmed cases as of August 2022. The primary response of health organizations is contact tracing, but this is where the current contact tracing program falls short, according to the interview with the contact tracer. In summary, current contact tracing programs are ineffective in stopping disease spread. There is forgery of identity, inability to locate all establishments visited by the patient, and inability to notify close contacts quickly. What can we do to stop the virus from spreading? Well, the research team devised a plan to integrate web and app technology, as well as the use of a national identification card. If you're wondering if this is feasible, the answer is yes. This will benefit health organizations, establishments, and, of course, Cabanatuan City residents. I'll walk you through the all-in-one contact tracing system, the greatest possible pandemic response.
Sorry for interrupting, but what exactly is an all-in-one system?
Yes, let's start there. All-in-one contact tracing relies on three key components to achieve its goal: a national ID, a scanner application, and a system website.
National ID? I've got my own.
If you have one, that's great. Citizens use their national ID as their entry pass into establishments. As the video's first segment implies, most citizens do not take contact tracing seriously. By using the national ID, contact tracer would have no problem with identity forgery. Furthermore, if the required data is complete and accurate, the contact tracing process will run smoothly.
This will undoubtedly speed up the contact tracing process. I like that idea as well because, man, the long lines just to enter an establishment? That is a huge help.
I'm glad you appreciate it. The scanner application is the next critical component. The scanner application is an app that scans and saves the visitor's national identification data as well as the time they visit the establishment. Additionally, the scanner app has a feature to validate the entrance of visitors. Once scanned, there is also an indicator whether the visitor is COVID-19 positive or not. This will assist establishment employees in identifying which visitors they will not allow to enter their premises.
Oh, so the patients and their time of entry are the filter category for tracing close contacts?
Yes, but first, let's talk about the system's final and most important component, the website. Users with access to the website include Cabanatuan City residents, establishment employees, and Department of Health employees. Anyone from the aforementioned users is permitted to register and log into the website. Once a COVID-19 patient has been identified, the citizens of Cabanatuan City registered in the system can have their COVID-19 status updated by the Department of Health. This will also update the validation feature in the scanner app for visitors who visit the establishments. The health status is determined by the COVID-19 RT-PCR test, which can be positive or negative result. The establishments and their contact tracing data are displayed on the website. Once a COVID-19 patient is identified, the administrator can search for the specific establishment they visited and the date as well as time of their visit. The contact tracing data of the establishments can be filtered by the COVID-19 patient's name and also the time of their entry in the premises. All visitors who arrived at the same time as the COVID-19 patient will be suspected close contacts. The final step of contact tracing is for the administrator to message these close contacts. Administrators can search for specific close contacts and send them an SMS to notify that they need to be isolated and monitored.
This is extremely beneficial to people. We can make contact tracing work effectively in a single system? That is brilliant.
Yes, I'm not hoping for another pandemic to happen, but, because we now have all-in-one contact tracing, future contact tracing will never be as difficult as it used to be. This is pandemic prevention system type called all-in-one contact tracing.